Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to activate Cricket Wireless eSIM. It's really easy and simple guys, but before diving into the activation process, make sure to insert your SIM card into your phone. Okay, do it properly, and then what you need to do is find your order information. Okay, you'll need to have your order number and phone number handy, and you can easily find both in your order confirmation email or on your packing slip. Okay. Next is you come here online to activate your order online. Okay. So head over to cricketwireless.com/activate. That is the exact URL. And here you need to basically follow the on-screen prompts to activate your service. Okay, come here, click on activate your device, select whether you're a new customer or a older customer. Okay, you want to come here and choose this right here. Let's say you're a new customer, you can choose that if you don't have Cricket service. And then you enter your order number, you enter Cricket phone number. Okay, and just follow along with the instructions. Okay, they'll basically find your order and then they'll do an order verification and they'll guide you through the activation process, right? And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.